Meaning of hang out.
Hang out.
Hang out.
Hang out.
Hang out. Hang out is a phrasal verb that means to spend time with someone in a casual and relaxed way. It could refer to meeting up with friends, spending time socializing or doing leisure activities together. The term can also describe a place where people regularly gather to spend time together, such as a coffee shop or a park. Hangout often implies a lack of structure or formal plans, allowing for spontaneity and easygoing fun. Overall, it's a term used to describe a chill and enjoyable social experience with friends.